for today's video, we're going to paint this pink denim jacket that I have. Actually, it's been a long time since I've last used this because as you can see, there are stains that are so much visible. So if I wear this, it's so distracting, or it's not that pleasing to the eye. Then I thought, why don't I restore this? I have the materials, I know how to paint, so yeah, I'm gonna paint on it. And yes, my name is May, and you're watching my channel, May Something Creates. Before we start the painting, let me introduce you this Stucco Fixer UR. This was actually recommended by a great friend of mine who's also an artist and whose name is Rodney. He suggested me to use this if I plan to paint on fabrics using acrylic. And based on my researches, this is an auxiliary for screen paintings, meaning this is really used for printing shirts and other garments. Alternatively, you may just use a fabric or textile paint which no longer needs any fabric medium such as Stucco Fixer UR. The Stucco Fixer UR can be found on Lazada and Shopee. I'll be putting down the link where you can buy them at the description box below. For the design, we have this painting which I originally made using watercolors, and I decided this to be the reference for my design, which I'm going to paint here on this denim jacket. As you can see here, I'm inserting this cardboard inside the jacket so we can have this smooth and flat surface to paint on. Some people, they sketch first using a pencil, others use paints directly to sketch their designs, but it's still up to you if you want to sketch first using a pencil, a light marker, or if you want to go directly in painting the jacket using paints. What I can suggest is for you to put a base paint first before you paint or apply the paint on the actual painting. So 1 to 2 coats might be enough, and you can actually use white for the base, which will serve as the primer of your paint. I actually forgot to put a base paint for this. That's why I keep on adding layers of paint, which is actually time consuming and I can say a waste of paint. It's better for us to put a primer or a base paint in order for the colors or the paints to appear opaque and vibrant on the canvas, so there's no need for you to put a lot of layers just to bring up the colors on your actual canvas. Here's the painting we've got. Ta-da! For those who are asking what I'm using in painting jackets or other stuffs, I use acrylics. But I know it's not a designated paint or medium that you need to use in fabrics like this and also shoes. But if you only have limited resources, just like with me, I only have acrylic, you can still buy another medium, which was the one I presented to you earlier, the Fixer UR, which you can mix with the paint so it will be suitable for your painting. Other options lot of options that you can choose from. We have here textile paints, fabric paints. You can just check the internet. We have lots of resources for that, and you can check whether these paints are available in the nearest art store within your area, or you can also search for another mediums that you prefer. Well, regards to this painting, I'm actually glad that I was able to finish this now, because imagine, I first started this during summer, which was back May or June, and now it's December. It's like 6 to 7 months ago before I finished this. Well, actually, I can't finish this in just, say for example, 1 to 2 days, but I'm really lacking out of time. If you also notice, I'm just posting videos once a week. There are some cases that I post once a month. It's lucky enough I will be able to post 2 videos in a week, and I'm really happy with that. But there are also some circumstances that I won't be able to post anything for the week because of some priorities, and there's also really not enough time to do some paintings or edit videos. But I'm actually planning of something on how I can manage my time in order for me to create videos, create paintings, create tutorials, and I guess that would be one of my resolution list. I'm supposed to film a vlogmas, but due to some priorities again and less time to make it, I try to do it next year, and hopefully I'll be able to comply to it. Well, yeah, as I've mentioned, it's one on my New Year's resolution list, so I hope I really can make it. Going back to the painting, I'm almost done with this. I did not literally copy the reference I've shown you earlier because I wanted to be like fiercer, because the one I painted on a watercolor piece, it's like with a dreamy effect. So for this painting on my jacket, I made another version of the leaves. I also removed the branches. I made the moons darker as well as with the eye. Hey guys, you'll see our finished product. We're gonna take this off from the easel. Just have to remove these binder clips that we used. Thank you so much for watching, and that's all for today's video. If you still want to check more of my artworks or more of our art journeys in the future, just please stay tuned to my channel. I hope you have learned something from this, and I hope you like it. And please feel free to give it a thumbs up. You can also share this video and leave your comments at the comment box below. You may also share this, and if you want to be notified for our next videos on this channel, please hit that notification bell with the bell icon. And yes, this is the end part of this video. You're just seeing me modeling the jacket. I'm trying to, but I don't know what I really look like. We can also stay connected on my social media accounts. I have a Facebook page, also have Instagram, Twitter, aMAEzing, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. For the end time, thanks again for watching. May we all have a good day. Till our next video. Bye!